Seeing vertical lines on your Samsung TV screen? This frustrating issue is more common than you might think, but there's good news. It can often be fixed at home. In this video, I'll guide you through several proven solutions to eliminate those annoying lines, from simple cable adjustments to more in-depth settings tweaks. Stay tuned to find out how you can get your TV back to perfect condition with just a few steps. Let's begin fixing those vertical lines on your Samsung TV with a simple power reset. First, unplug your TV from the wall socket. Then, locate the power button on your TV. It might be hidden underneath or found on the back. Hold down this button for about 30 seconds. This step is crucial, as it helps clear any residual power that might be causing the display issues. After the time has passed, plug your TV directly back into the wall socket. Avoid using a power strip, as they can sometimes contribute to the problem. This process resets your TV's system and could potentially clear up those annoying vertical lines. Give your TV a moment, then turn it on and check if the lines are still there. If yes, check the HDMI cables and ports. Start by examining each HDMI cable connected to your TV. Disconnect them one by one and make sure there's no visible damage to the cables. Plug them back in firmly to ensure they're seated properly in the ports. Sometimes, just reseating a cable can solve the problem. Also, if you have more than one HDMI port, try switching the cable to a different port. This helps you rule out if a specific port might be faulty. While you're at it, apply a little pressure to the HDMI ports and the connectors. Don't push too hard, just enough to ensure a solid connection. This can sometimes improve the contact and potentially fix any issues with signal transmission that might be causing those lines on your screen. If the HDMI checks didn't clear up the vertical lines, the next thing you'll want to try is updating the firmware of your Samsung TV and running some diagnostics. First, go into the settings menu on your TV, usually accessed with the remote. From there, navigate to Support and select Software Update. If your TV is connected to the internet, you can download any available updates directly. In case your TV doesn't support automatic online updates, you might need to download the latest firmware from Samsung's website onto a USB stick and then plug it into your TV to update it manually. After updating the firmware, it's a good idea to use the self-diagnosis tools built into your TV. Again, go to the Settings menu, select Support, and then find Device Care, or directly Self-Diagnosis, depending on your TV model. Here, you can run a Start Picture Test or other relevant diagnostic tests. These tools can help identify what's causing the vertical lines and may even guide you on how to fix them right there through automated solutions your TV can apply. If the diagnostics didn't resolve the vertical lines on your screen, the next step you might consider is a factory reset. This will restore your Samsung TV to its original settings, which can often clear up any software issues causing the problem. To do this, grab your remote and go to the Settings menu. From there, navigate to General, then Reset. You'll likely be prompted to enter a PIN code. If you've never changed it, the default PIN should be 40. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the reset. Remember, a factory reset will erase all your personalized settings and any saved information, so only proceed if you're okay with starting fresh. This might be the fix you need to get rid of those persistent vertical lines. That's it for this video on how to fix vertical lines on your Samsung TV screen. I hope these troubleshooting steps help you get your TV looking flawless again. If you found this guide useful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tech fixes. Did any of these methods work for you, or do you have any questions? Drop a comment below. I'm eager to hear about your experiences and provide further assistance if needed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.